Welcome to Top and Best 10, where we list top and best of everything. Today we are presenting 10 steps guide on how to transplant a plant. Step 1. Choose the right time. Transplant during the plant's dormant season or early spring, late summer for minimal stress. Step 2. Select a new location. Pick a spot with suitable sunlight, soil, and space for the plant to grow. Step 3. Prepare the new hole. Dig a hole slightly larger and deeper than the plant's root ball. Step 4. Water the plant. Give the plant a thorough watering a day before transplanting to ensure it's well hydrated. Step 5. Gently remove the plant. Carefully dig around the root ball, avoiding damage to the roots as much as possible. Step 6. Prune if necessary. Trim any damaged or excessively long roots to encourage healthy growth. Step 7. Place in new hole. Set the plant in the new hole, making sure the top of the root ball is level with the soil surface. Step 8. Fill with soil. Backfill the hole with soil, gently pressing to eliminate air pockets. Step 9. Water again. Give the newly transplanted plant a good watering to settle the soil around the roots. Step 10. Mulch and monitor. Add a layer of mulch around the base to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Monitor the plant closely over the next few weeks for signs of stress and adjust care as needed. Remember, each plant species may have specific requirements, so it's a good idea to research the needs of the particular plant you're transplanting. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Top and Best 10.